Hey guys, today we're doing an unboxing and overview of the AMP Wireless high power wireless 300N 600mW USB adapter. I think it's milliwatt. There you go in the front. Premium wireless coverage, 3x range, Mac and Windows, 2.4 gigahertz of all the 802.11, and it comes with free Wi-Fi tool. This is connect your laptop or desktop to your wireless network, high power 600mW amplifier, upgradable antenna for more range, amplifier wireless easily penetrates through walls, support, as you can see their little picture, add long range Wi-Fi to your computer basically. Here's the side of the box, how to install it and stuff like that. Here's the other side, it tells you the features in this particular component. And here's the back of the box with a bunch of pictures telling you the coverage and how easy it is to do. The AMP Wireless technology, I heard about this company, it's very good. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. It has this plastic wrapper on it, which a lot of boxes do, you know, to ensure that it's brand new, that no one has opened it previously. And it also has this seal, which I'm going to cut open. And this box is a box within a box, as you can see. Here it says AMP Wireless. Here's some paperwork. It says stop. Do not return the product to the retailer. Let's see what's inside here. Alright, right off the bat here we have the Wi-Fi analytics tool. What else here? We have, I believe these are the drivers, the setup CD. And this is a quick start guide right here. It's very, very easy to install. So you just install the drivers, plug it in, and you're online, you're on wireless. And you know, put in your security code and you're ready to go. So it tells you that. It tells you on Windows on one side and Mac on the other. And again, this is the stop, do not return it, call this number, blah blah blah. There's the unit itself. And here is the antenna that you could replace this antenna. This is a 5 decibel antenna. I believe you could go up to 12 or even beyond that. It has a universal type of screw in that you could replace antennas with, you know what I mean, like, you know, on your router and whatnot. And here's the cable itself, a USB 2.0 cable, and it's two of them. It has a primer and has an amped. You don't have to use both of them. And it's a mini USB on the other end. You could just use one, but if you want the amped range, you plug them both in, which that's what I'm going to do anyways. Why wouldn't you if you had, you know, a bunch of USB ports, right? And right here, let's see what it says. If it focuses, it says to avoid damage. Crap, I didn't even get that whole thing. Oh well. Okay. And here's the unit itself. It's very shiny. It's black. There's a mini USB connection there. Here's the back telling you what the unit is. If it focuses, there you go. The model, the UA600. I'm going to do a little demonstration here on how you install the antenna. It's kind of difficult. There's like an indentation right there where you can't get your fingers in there to screw it in, so you have to use the actual antenna. You know, you have to get it straight to screw it in, and it doesn't go all the way down. So if you think that it does, it doesn't. That's like the farthest you could screw it in. Don't over tighten it or it'll snap. You know, it's plastic. Now here's the unboxing, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.